Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Neo Financial and Wealthsimple. In order to do so, here we are at neofinancial.com and we're also at wealthsimple.com. And let's go ahead and ask Cider AI what the difference is between the two. According to Cider, when comparing Neo Financial and Wealthsimple, it's essential to consider several factors as each platform serves slightly different purposes in the financial landscape. Here's a breakdown of both. Neo Financial is a Canadian fintech company that offers financial services including a Neo credit card, savings accounts, and spending accounts. It aims to provide better rewards and features focus on modern banking solutions. Key features include a rewards program that offers cash back on various purchases, which can be appealing for users looking to earn rewards on their spending, a savings account with high interest savings that can help users grow their money, no monthly fees, typically no maintenance fees, making it accessible for more users. Target audience is primarily users looking for a modern banking experience with cashback rewards and no fees. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, is primarily a robo-advisor, an investment platform based in Canada focusing on simplifying investing and providing financial products like Wealthsimple Invest, Wealthsimple Trade, and Wealthsimple Cash. Key features include investment management. It offers automated investment strategies with low management fees. Wealthsimple Trade has commission-free trading for Canadian stocks and ETFs. Tax efficiency, investment accounts designed to optimize for taxes. Its target audience is primarily for individuals interested in investing, saving for retirement, and those looking for straightforward financial management solutions. The choice between Neo Financial and Wealthsimple largely depends on your financial needs. Choose Neo Financial if you're looking for a contemporary banking experience with rewards and no fees. Choose Wealthsimple if you want to focus on investing and wealth management with minimal effort. And if you have any specific needs or features you're curious about regarding either platform, you can ask Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic tool that fits right into the side of your Chrome browser. It's an extension that you can install and you can ask AI at any time, whatever it is that your question might be. And not only do you have access to Cider Fusion, but you also have access to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek so that you can get a balanced response to whatever your question is. And it's a fantastic tool, highly recommended. Check out the description, click on the link to find out more. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.